Hey Xhorse fans! Today I'd like to show you a new feature recently released on Condor XE Mini Plus 2. It will allow you to modify an ordinary key blade to a key that can be used in the flip key remote. Step 1. Tail reshaping. Enter Modify key, select with handle. Tighten the clamp and type Initialize. Insert the key blade. Press Start spindle and move the cutter to an appropriate position to cut the tail of the key. In this step, you can completely remove the key tails of different shapes. For example, modify those to this. Now you can see the tail of the key is removed. Step 2. Groove cutting. We'll choose without handle this time. Insert the key blade again and start cutting. In this step, the machine will detect the key itself and start automatic cutting. So all you need to do is make sure you remove the tail in your last step well. Clean the shavings. Now you got yourself a brand new key blade. And you can stick the key blade to a flip key remote. That's all about the new feature. See you next time!